Who here dreads the idea of packing up and moving? It's never a fun topic for anyone. Let's fast forward when you've got a family member that you're sensing the time is coming for, they need some additional care. Maybe they need to be moved into a senior community. And it's overwhelming for all parties. Even the thought of spring cleaning sometimes, gives me the shivers because I know I need to touch things and get rid of things, and there's sentimental value to things and, memories and all these different things. So let's take that and really focus on that when it comes to our loved ones that have hit they're nearing their final chapter of life, and they deserve to have an amazing final chapter and be well cared for. And so as a certified real estate planner, one of my roles and responsibilities, and something that I actually really care about, is coming alongside those family members, the kids that are trying to be helpful, as well as coming alongside those grown-ups and parents that still want their independence. And that's a really gentle balance that needs to be found. So I bring to the table a team. I have senior movers that can help. I have folks that can help sort through, step back from some of the emotion, and help you and your family make some decisions as you're finding out what the next several months, several years looks like. So even if you are getting to the point where you're like, I hate these stairs, I want to do something, and you need help, reach out. I've got a team of folks, and we can do a strategy session. You and I, me and your family, whatever works for you, we can sit down, go through where things are at, and then we can see if I'm a good fit to help you. If you do not live in the state of Washington and you still need some help, reach out to me. I have a robust referral network where we can sit down, we can Zoom, see what your needs are, and then I can help you find folks that will come alongside you and your family so that you can have someone help and support you on this journey. There's a lot of emotions as a family member is needing to move into a senior community for them and for you. And so just to sit back and honor that, and to be a part of that, and to be a helper, not tell you what to do, but help you do it. So reach out. I'm here for you.